Yo traders, what's good? If you're new, welcome to the channel, but if you've subbed up, welcome back. So sorry I ain't been on for a bit. Yeah, it's been at least a week, probably, but I do still feel a bit rough. To be honest with you, I don't feel like I've been missing much anyway, because the markets look like shit. Like, this is the 5-minute time frame, Nasdaq's on the left, YM's on the right, aka US30, and just look at it. Like, it's not looking the best, I'll be honest. This is the market conditions on the 1-hour time frames. So yeah, it's not really nothing going on. And I'm just gonna have to go to the 1-minute time frame and see if I can catch myself a little scalp, get in and out, and get back into the feel for the markets. Because even if you take a week off, I swear it does something to you. It makes you feel like, I don't know, out of sync with the markets. You can't be taking too much time off, man, and that's a tip. But it's not a tip, actually, it's a lifeline. Listen to it. So anyway, the date is Wednesday the 16th of April, and it's like 10 minutes, yeah, bang on 10 minutes until that 9:30 Eastern for me, when the volume starts to pick up. But today I can see that we've had some news, obviously, over there. That was a news event. To be honest with you, the way that it's looking, I'm just going to have to draw what I can see. So clearly there's some sort of support and resistance area there. I'll go over to Nasdaq and do the same. Got a little support and resistance area where it broke through. See, it's broken through, it's retested it, and it's dropped. So now we want price to push back up and retest it again, and either break through it, break through this structure so I can take a buy, or react from it. So either break through like this or react from it like this and then come back down. But one or the other. We got our resistance area, now we need a support. Because the price is still pushing though, we can't really put a box there for a support yet, or a breakout line. And if you're new to the channel, literally what I do every day is trade support and resistance and breakouts. That is it. Literally, I don't even really look for the direction of the market anymore, because I'm in and out like that. But, you know, I do have strategies to teach people if they want to intraday trade, you know, hold trades for the day, and, you know, break and retest, a few more confluences, fair value gaps, all that stuff. But I got that coming in a course anyway. I really want to see some structure being made like this. So then if we do break to the downside, you know, we're not already there. And for my targets, I usually target like 1-to-1s, 1-to-2s, but you know, sometimes just 1-to-1s with like a 20 pip stop loss. So if I was to break through there, and that's actually a little bit tight on the 1-minute time frame, I'd probably use like a 40 pip stop loss and just go for a 1-to-1. Or I tell people all the time, target the most, you know, rounded off next key level. So that would be 43.60. That's a key level. The 60 at the end makes it round, makes it nice, and then you got underneath there 43.20. Okay, that's on 27. It should be on 20. Oh my days, I'm so slow today because I'm just fucking still feeling shit. Right, boom. That's another rounded off nice key level, okay? And I'm gonna do one. Notice that I'm just making them round numbers, nice psych numbers, right? Underneath I see 70. Let's put it to 70. And there we go. There's my targets for the downside. Let's get some targets for the upside. Okay, so to the upside, I'm obviously gonna target after this break. If we get a break of this area, and I'm gonna target like this, 50. Bang on 50, and then the next one above it, the next one above is going to be 60. Okay, boom, perfect. And it's all previous structure as well. It all aligns with previous structure. So, you know, price likes to come up, sweep liquidity from highs and lows, all that stuff. But keep it simple, keep it basic. You can make money literally by keeping things simple and basic and managing your risk as well. And for me, because of the account I'm trading on now with Topstep, I can literally get in and out on tiny little moves and profit from them, okay? There's no like time limit that I need to be in and out of a trade. So I could literally get in on this break, target this first purple line and make money. So the reason I use breakout lines instead of just a whole area as well, most of the time, is and on the candle bodies, is because I could put it on the wicks, but I like to get in early. I take my chances and I move with volume. So, you know, I'm pretty much moving my stop loss to break even instantly, or I'm manually closing out as fast as I can. That's what I've been doing recently anyway. But for some reason, the last time I traded, whenever that was, well, just go back and look at my last video and you'll see something happened where it just felt like, even though they say there's 0 spreads on Topstep, it felt like I had spreads. It felt like the price moved a tiny little bit against me and it was like, whoa, like, what the fuck? And it ate into my money quick. So that was weird. But that's why I stayed off. And I wasn't feeling right neither. But yeah, I don't know if something has changed that I don't know about, but we'll see today. See how price acts today. So I usually go in with like 3 minis to 5 max. But today I'm going to just chill. I'm going to go in with 2 minis on Nasdaq. And then I'll go in with like 3 on YM. Way.
Order filled.
See, that's a pre-break. And now it looks, yeah, I suppose now it feels more normal. It's feeling like it's moving how it should now. That was a weird little, see how these little pre-breaks happen though? You know, you gotta be on the ball with them. You can't wait. Right, that's nice. That's pushing. It's coming straight to where I think it's gonna go. Them rounded off key levels. I should have put more on it, to be honest. I should have put more on it. I'm gonna wait though. I'm gonna wait. But now it feels like things are like back to normal kind of thing with how it's moving and yeah, how it's looking. So yeah, it's taking out the first key level that I marked up. Is it gonna hit the second one? If it hits the second one, then I'll close. But when people ask me in the comments as well, how do I can tell like volume in candles? That's how. When candles move like that, that's volume. It's just being fearless and getting in without worrying. Is it going to pull back? Is it a fake out? Don't worry about it. If it is, deal with it. Close. Do you know what I mean? Take it as it comes. Sniper gang, you got to be really, really sharp. Also, just have some confidence in yourself. So I'm going to close.
Order filled.
Because we hit that first one and now the market's actually open. And there we go. Look at what it did. Go to the 5-minute time frame and take a little look at what's going on. These candles are hectic. Okay, so NASDAQ looks like it's moving the cleanest. I think NAS is going to push. Okay, so I'm going to get in on the break, the upside with NAS. And target these key levels. Yeah, nice, nice, nice. No. NASDAQ's pushing, boy. That's what I like to see. It did just tap into the first key level, but pulled back hella fast as well. Jeez, these markets are crazy. What the fuck's going on? All right, hit that second key level for me. Nah. Yes. There we go. All right, it's just twerking on the key level. I'm just going to close it out because I don't know what it's doing. YM's ugly. NASDAQ's moving way nicer. Is it gonna finish nice though, or is it gonna finish as an indecision? That's the question. All right, look at this, pulling back down now. It's tapped into these key levels, though. You got to understand, like I marked them up for a reason, and they are getting hit. NASDAQ's still pushing, but just not as much as I wanted to.
Order
push
filled.
Past that second key level. Go on. There we go.
Order filled.
Oh, what the fuck? All right, I'm done. See how it tapped into the key level and just pulled straight back. But damn, so volatile. So yeah, that's basically why we mark up the round psychological numbers, because price tends to like tap into them, use them as take profits. All right, so yeah, but what a sketchy, mad looking opening. I'm actually not feeling how the markets are moving since that fucker's been on the throne again. Yeah, hopefully that don't lose me some subs. I know how passionate you Americans get. But yo, if you enjoyed the video, then sub up, smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next one.